Hi, I'm Kristen Nebeker at Tobin Restoration. I'm here with Julie Peterson. She's our content cleaning manager. Julie, when we say content cleaning to someone who doesn't have any idea what's going on, what does that mean?
It means that when there's been a fire or there's been a flood, most of the time your stuff has been affected in some way. So your stuff is your contents, it's your personal property. It's if you picked up your house and you shook it, everything that falls out is your personal property. We clean it, we restore it. What we can't restore, then we inventory and make a detailed record of everything that we can't restore.
So I wanted you to get to know Julie a little bit more, and so that you're aware of her when she comes out to your house, and you can be a good team member with Julie and work to get your home and your personal belongings back to where they belong, restored in your home.